Hello again. Here's another update on the Donn of Tiki. There are a handful of screenings coming up in October that I wanted to tell you about. I was lucky enough to work on this feature-length documentary all about the creator of Tiki, Donn Beach. The film is a deep dive into Donn's life, his careers, his loves, his creativity, his imagination, and his dreams. Donn was both a man and a character, and the line between the two was often very blurry. This picture explores all of that. There's footage in it of Donn you've never seen. There are stories about Donn from the people who knew him that you've never heard. But this movie isn't just for history, tiki, and/or cocktail nerds like you and me. It's also an engaging story for the uninitiated. People who don't know anything about tiki and have never heard of Donn Beach. It's such a wild ride. It's fun, it's outrageous, it's unexpectedly moving. It's a crowd-pleasing story. And Donn tells part of his story himself.
The zombie was a lethal thing.
Which is brought to life with some incredible animation. Both stop motion and 2D animation. I can't wait for everyone to be able to see it. And fingers crossed it'll be available sooner rather than later. But in the meantime, it's playing at some film festivals. Film festivals are like these sneak previews or an industry convention or kind of a soft launch. But luckily, these festivals are open to the public. The next one is going to be playing in Chagrin Falls, Ohio, just outside of Cleveland. It's playing at the Chagrin Valley Little Theater on Friday, October 4th at 7:30 p.m. Yeah, I know, it's really soon. But after that, it's playing on Friday, October 18th at the Melbourne Independent Filmmakers Festival. No, not down under. That's Melbourne, Florida. The very next day, Saturday, October 19th, it's back in the Midwest in Minneapolis for the Twin Cities Film Festival. Then on Wednesday, October 23rd, it'll be playing at the Newport Beach Film Festival in, you guessed it, Newport Beach, California. So far, every single screening of the film is sold out. So it's a good bet that these will too. If you're in Ohio, Florida, Minnesota, or Southern California, you'll want to get your tickets ASAP. Links to all these shows will be posted in the description below. And for the Ohio screenings on October 4th, and possibly the Newport screening on October 23rd, I'll be at those showings. Alex Lamb, one of the directors of the film, will be at the Ohio screening with me. And most likely both directors will be at the Newport screening. So come out and see the film with an enthusiastic crowd. All these screenings are still these sneak previews, so it'll be pretty fun that you're going to be one of the first to see it. Alright, well that's it for now. Hopefully I'll get you a new message in a bottle soon. Until then, cheers.